Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite with S Pen support teased to launch. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is set to launch in soon. The Korean giant has started teasing the arrival of the new tablet in the market. The tablet was unveiled in Indonesia in April and it is likely to arrive in the Indian market soon. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite comes with S Pen support, a single camera setup at the back, and a large 7040 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite will sit alongside the vanilla Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 model that is already on sale in the market. The company has taken to Twitter to tease the arrival of Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. The teaser video shows a slight portion of the tablet, and confirms that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is launching in India soon. An exact launch date is not mentioned, but Samsung should make that announcement in the coming days. The video comes with the caption, "See what the future holds." A super carryable note-taking companion coming soon. Samsung is touting the tablet to be lightweight, and the teaser confirms support for S Pen. Whether the S Pen comes bundled inside the retail box or not remains to be seen. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 is priced on the official Indian website starting at $793.53, 59,900 rupees. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite should be priced lower than the vanilla model. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite specifications. Because the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has already launched in Indonesia, specifications of the tablet are known. It runs on Android 10 based One UI 2.0, and features a 10.4-inch Quad-Core, 1,200x2,000 pixels, TFT display. There is an octa-core chipset powering the tablet and a 4GB of RAM is packed inside. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite further comes in 64GB and 128GB storage variants that can be expanded via dedicated microSD card slot, up to 1TB. On the back panel, there's a single 8-megapixel camera with autofocus. The camera can also shoot videos in 1080p at 30fps. In terms of the design, the front panel contains thick bezels similar to the Galaxy Tab S6 and the hole punch houses a 5-megapixel selfie camera. The tablet packs a 7,040 mAh battery, and connectivity options include 3.5mm audio jack, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.0, and GPS support. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.